guys, what's up? It's Ginobili, and I'm back with another tutorial. You guys know me, I'm now kind of the tutorial king with the small niche type thing, so gotta help you guys out once again. Today, coming back with a Discord tutorial. I know this might be a little specific for something because not many people are owners of Discord servers, or big ones at least. So, I'm just gonna show you guys how to, I guess, just reduce spam in your server and how to get rid of recent or previous spam. As you can see right here, my server is like, let me see, I think right here, like craziness, and it just ruins professionalism of the server. I have a server of like almost 1,500 members, and it just kind of like ruined everything for me and the members of my server. So I kind of want to fix that for you guys and just kind of build up that community once again. So let's get started. First, you're gonna want to just go on top GG, the website with all the bots, and find security. This is a big, and this bot basically does everything for you. And then, anti-spam, anti-nuke, anti-raid, everything. It's 1.5 million servers out. So just wanna invite it. It's the invite button. Just give it a moment. You're gonna see this. It says continue to Discord, and well, you should switch here. But here, it's just gonna say a bunch of like rubbish, and then it'll show like add to server. You're gonna want to select the server. For me, it's gonna be the Ginobili Rebellion. Continue. It's gonna say some more stuff. Authorize. Just let it load. Very human, of course. Just give it a moment. There we go. Perfect. And just like that, the bot has been added to the server. Yeah. So it may actually not show the bot, however, it's in there, right? So first of all, if you really want to just have a complete restart of the channel, like the quickest way to do this, or to delete everything, it would be just to like come here, right click, press on duplicate channel, create channel. As you can see, it creates an other with no content on there, and then you can just delete. Boom. However, if you don't want to do this, you could just use the bot, and I'll just give you an example of that in a moment. Let me just add some spam to this. So I just added some spam to that same one. I just basically completely restarted my server, so there's no more spam because I stopped clearing and everything. But here's just an example. You can see spam here. So first, what you're gonna do is just type just the slash bar, and you're gonna see all this come up. And then you're gonna see all these bots on the side. You want to just select security, and with the security bot, you have all of these options. You can see you can set limits, you can enable, clear, disable, kick people. It basically just gives you a bunch of it's like a whole security service for your server. I'm not like sponsored or anything, so don't think I'm just doing this for that, but it's generally just a helpful bot to have in your server. So you just want to go on to clear, right? And then it gives you an amount. The amount is going to be between 2 to 1,000 messages. As you can see, I don't know how many messages. I'm just going to put in like 100. And then it should clear, I assume, all of this. And then you just want to click the 5 more. So to really censor it down, you could select what user you want to delete, which of course I'm going to do myself. But if it has links, which it doesn't, you can just put false. If it does have links, you can just put true, and it'll scan for links. If it has images, you could put true or false. Embeds true or false. If it's by a bot, you could do true or false. And then what you want to do to really censor it down is go into user, and usually it's an even option to type, as you can see. But for me, of course, I'm going to do myself, Fabio. And then just want to press after that enter, and then just give it a second. Boom, cleared the whole thing just like that in, what was that, less than 3 seconds. So yeah, I mean, this was definitely the quickest way I found to clear messages. If it's older messages, it will take a while. It could take up to a day. It takes me pretty long, but I'll just give it time. The more recent the messages were, the quicker it is to delete. The later it is, the later it takes. But this is definitely the quickest way if you don't want to delete the complete channel like I just did before. If you want to just get a complete restart, you can just do the duplicate thing. But if you want to just keep some content in there and everything, you can just clear the messages like that, and then as you can see, you just delete this, and it should be done. Boom, completely clear channel. Well, that is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any more ideas or anything you guys want to learn, and you know, have a good one. Actually, I'm back. I just wanted to promote my server a little bit. You know, the Ginobili Rebellion has we completely, before it was like a little spamish, there's some crazy stuff, a bunch of NSFW. I didn't like it, but I'll definitely join. You know, we have almost 1,500 members. We have NBA clips, NFL clips, TikTok ideas, YouTube ideas, anything you really need for content creation. I'm gonna be just linking videos and stuff like that. Just a community, a big community, if you wanna grow your content. And you know, you could. I'm active on it a lot, so if you have any questions or you need anything, just you could always just at me. And yeah, I just suggest you guys join. All right, now we're finally out. Ginobili out.